I'm back in the Genesis today, and Serotonin's parked in the driveway, which you saw, and it feels so weird driving this thing. It's like I'm driving in a shoe, so close to the ground, and it's just strange. I'm used to like being up at trucker level. Anyway, it is snowing, the roads are crap, and I am so happy I am not having to travel. Oh, we just slid around that corner. Having to drive in that big rig today. So, hey, hope everybody has a great Christmas. And by the time you see this, you probably already have. I built a little trap here to trap some of the hot air I have blowing at it from the side. Shooting a little hot air into the rig up by the fuel filter. The Blue Rhino propane. Charging up the house batteries, which got drained for running the furnace. Just do a little preheat to the motor. The big batteries on top for the start are charged, but that's just gelled up back there, so it needs to be heated up a little. Yahoo! Serotonin is alive! God bless America. That was rough. But she runs in the frozen tundra of the Chicago suburbs. Alright, it's been like negative whatever for a week now. And I have been trying to get Serotonin up and running, fighting with it every day. But persistence is 80% of life. It's been like total super cold negative numbers for a good solid week, and that is a beautiful sound. Hell yeah, makes it almost feel like sunny and 80 out here. Not quite, but gave me some time while I was charging batteries and getting this thing to run, to take the old TVs out, get some things put away. Got a bunch of boxes put away and stuff. Took the TV out of the bedroom, took the TV out of that. I'm gonna order up some new audio visual. Woohoo! We got air pressure, we got all kinds of stuff. Yeah! I love that air horn. Whew! Running. Thank God. Happy New Year, everybody. It's New Year's Eve. Here he is, Brent, driving Serotonin. Hey, easy.
I'm all about the horn. That's right. What's up, neighbor? Coming through, making it wide, baby. Making it wide. Yeah, what's up, player? Coming at you, Charlie.
Easy.
I got like the horn. I like the horn.
Are you thirsty? You want a drink? Let's go get a drink. Go on. Just like old times.
Christmas.